The tool works by selecting a sketch profile or a face and revolving it around the specified axis. You're now going to revolve a sketch profile around the central axis to create a pen shell. Begin by opening up the Lesson 5 file from the data panel. Take a look around the sketch. As you can see, it resembles one half of a pen shell. This here is the tip of the pen, and there's a gap in the middle which is where you can insert an ink cartridge. Click the Revolve tool from the Create menu. The profile has already been selected, so we just need to choose the axis. Set this as the vertical dotted construction line. Notice how the sketch has been revolved around the axis. Check everything looks OK and then click OK. Head to Inspect, Section Analysis. Select the left plane and you'll now see a view of your model as if it's been cut through the plane you chose. This can be useful to look inside of models. You'll also notice an analysis folder appear when you've accepted the command. You can toggle the section analysis on and off here. Now create a new sketch on the left plane. Toggle off the visibility of the pen body and toggle on the visibility of sketch 1. We're going to use parts of it to create a new pen shell. Select the Project tool from the Create menu. You can use this tool to bring features onto your current sketch plane. Select all the edges of the pen shell except for the curved pattern. Now click OK to accept the command. Toggle off the visibility of sketch 1 and notice how the lines you selected have been projected onto your current sketch. Select this line and turn it into a construction line if it isn't already, and this means that the line will be used as a reference point only. You can now have some free time to create your own unique pen shell by sketching geometry to connect the top and bottom of the projected sketch. Feel free to explore the various sketching tools, just ensure you create a full sketch profile to revolve. Once you're happy, finish the sketch and revolve it around the construction line. Congratulations! Save your work and move on to the next tutorial.